Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ringkat lang berkeri India Hubert kuwi ke office jangka Deputy Commissioner ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District haka apundro trek ukala lingkot arajar pausan klara ke sni Republic Day ke bahnyo punriu ya ke penlong hamadan dom maulum jangka senang pending yong mairang haka bu menteri ke tenat jelek kai jangka sarkar jelau ba syaklir wajri ula penher ya kalama lairong jangkeri ba benyeshim hak rastriya salute. Hak ni kesngi kita nak terekam sarkar kemudian hapok ke distrik layu ban PNI patba ya kita blo ki PNI ya kikam ba deki skim je kita nak sarkar uba syaklir haga ni kesngi layu ru ban sa mega khusnam je kesin Hubert Secondary School Maroid kabla yu ban khoria ka nam Lahduh haka march pass bat ru syaka Kinchi Higher Secondary School bat syaka Langtor Higher Secondary School kilawan haka kedan ka baar bat balai. Lepas ni syangkun syuk-syuk ya ke program harga ni kesini di kejing ruai bat kejing syat tenrai nagi kena pulih nagi skul berper-per.
Commander APSI HRG for the Meghalaya Police Eastern West Khasi DEF Minor. St. Thomas High Secondary School Minang NCC, Lieutenant Commander David M. Nono, Placard Bearer Rebecca Merwin, Flag Bearer Evalasi Mamia. Presbyterian Secondary School Scouts and Guides. Lieutenant Commander Captain Dapur Natalyang, for the schools Myra Presbyterian High Secondary School. Platoon Commander Sandor Lahwatri, Placard Bearer Elsa Afinia Hujon, Flag Bearer Thau Jingwoods Kem South Main. For Myra Vidyajyoti Inclusive Secondary School Samshong, Platoon Commander Alan Swallow, Placard Bearer Mefika Elkinshi, Flag Bearer Sanjat Chai Bhavan. Myra Presbyterian English School, Willie Donald L. Nonglight as Platoon Commander, Frankie Donald and
districts have also benefited under this project. The project is to initiate its primary objective to forming of the IBCS that deals with various economic and social activities in the village. Their practices, the IBCS are undertaking the truth and credit activities where the new bank is available at the IBCS level and farmers don't have to set up struggling to towns and cities. The Office of the Job Development Officer Motivation CNRD block presents C-grade model under natural farming. Natural farming transformation in motivation CNRD block started in December 2022 to the initiative of Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society from Business Management Unit Motivation. Natural farming is a chemical-free farming system that uses local resources and is business practices based on agroecology, cross breeds and livestock.
the Government and Industries Department is aimed at promoting entrepreneurs of the district for setting up MSME enterprises with a focus on clean, environmental friendly and eco-tourism sectors. The sample depicts a visual journey into the green industry which offers a unique blend of ecological awareness and technological advancements. A whole day installing wind turbines gracefully dancing in the sky and solar panels basking in sunlight harnessing the power of solar and wind are iconic symbols of renewable energy. The green industry is not just a sector, it's a pathway to a sustainable future. by increasing renewable energy, promoting energy efficiency, and prioritizing sustainable practices. The theme for the Council of Entrepreneur Experience Engineering PhD is cleanliness is a mindset, water is a catalyst. That's what our mission, which aims to bring an open reputation to an end throughout the country, has been a transformative scheme through the construction of toilets in households and villages and the sanitary disposal of solid and liquid waste. The tableau shows water flowing from check dams to rural tanks, from where water is distributed to toilets and households. The department is committed towards ensuring access to clean water for all. Water is life, use is life. Our chief guest alongside our Madam DC to hand out the second prize as well as the third prize under the tableau display winners.
Kapor Kaladay, Bapinjit Yaki MDC Jongpi, Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Batka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ke ei katong, kabakidon, ki ei kiman, ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman. Kita kide ki jingkeli, ki bafidon kamman yo ya kejubab, haswa, bapin lek ban tap ya vote Jongpi haka arpuwai tarik urampang arajar arpsan. Baik ya ke program, markman, pat ki kertong.